So, let's take care of Gulliver first. Oh, ahoy. You're that skipper from earlier, right? Thanks for the wake-up call. I was, just taking a quick power nap. Getting unstranded is really exhausting, you know? Please keep searching for my missing communicator parts. I know they're here somewhere. If you can find 5 parts, I should be able to fix my communicator. I'm counting on you, Skipper. How did he know my name used to be Skipper? Oh, there we go. That's a component. Even though they mistakenly call it a communication part. I dug up 1,000 bells. I don't remember if you can grow money trees in this game or not. There we go. I'll bet you didn't think you'd find buried bells here, But this is an island, after all, buried treasure and whatnot. Enjoy some Nook Miles from Nook Inc. to celebrate your discovery. By the way, I was joking before about them saying, calling these things communicator parts instead of components. I mean, I'm not that full of myself.